Well, hello Crafty Familia, welcome back to another video. Today I am so excited to share with you this little cutie that I just got and I cannot wait. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening right now because I am beyond excited. I want to see how it looks. I'm gonna show you what's inside. I tried to open it, but I was like, no, I'm gonna wait for the Crafty Familia. So here we are. So let me see. We're gonna... Oh, I should have showed you, okay. So this is the front of the box. On the side it says, for unusual objects, type spaces are hard to reach places. If I would have known they were coming up with this the day before they announced it, I made tiny little toddler shoes, and I did it with the 6x7 Cricut Easy Press, and I had such a hard time, but I didn't care. The effect was awesome. Look how cute it looks, how portable it is, and it tells you every little detail about it. It's very comfortable to hold. It has an auto off feature just like the regular ones, the regular size ones. It has 3 easy heat settings. That means that it's pretty easy to read as well. It has dry and even heat just like the bigger ones. The precision tip, that means that it's gonna have like a pointy side, I think. And of course it comes with a safety base. That is so cute. Okay, there's nothing in here. Okay, it has a sticker on the side, both of them. Oh, and there's one at the bottom as well. That is adorable. Oh look, it has some foam piece in here to protect it from moving. Look at this. This is what's inside. I need to calm down. I'm so excited. Okay, and now there's the let's get started guide. As you know, it has like basic instructions about it. Very simple. It shows you how the reading is. So the power heat setting, it goes by 3 levels, which is low, medium, and high. When you see it like that, it's off or standby. It seems that it has a color code. For example, if it's in that orange, I'm not sure if it's orange or red on the press, but it means that it's warming up. Once it's green, that means it's ready, or it has reached the temperature that you want. And it tells you the precise project settings. You go to the heat guide. I recommend it because I've been using it and it's very handy when it comes to not guess, but to know exactly how many seconds or how long you need to have the Easy Press on your materials or canvases, and also the temperature. So I would recommend it definitely. Okay, now we have the base. Oh my word, this is gonna be like a tiny little planchita, a little iron. Look at that, it's so cute. And the base is, I think it's like metal. It is metallic in the middle, and it has the rubber around it. Okay, so then it comes attached to this plastic, a protective plastic in there as well. This is the extension cord. So I'm gonna go ahead. There's some more instructions in here and the warranty as well. So I'm just gonna leave that in there. Barely put this back. It's so adorable. Look at this. I can't believe I'm holding one. This is so exciting. This is how the bottom looks. I knew it was gonna be like a little iron, which is very exciting because this side right here was gonna help us to make sure we reach the difficult spaces like that. And of course it heats, it warms up evenly. So just like every product that I love about Cricut. Oh yes, ASMR. Just kidding. Okay, so let's see how it looks in our vase. That is adorable. Awesome. Okay, let's... Ah! She's okay. So I cannot wait to share with you the first project I will do with it. Cricut Easy Press Mini, what would be the first thing you would like to do? Let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye.